Okay, so it's less than about how many hours? I don't know. But I have something from Mommy Ann. Mommy Ann gave me a couple of shirts from Tommy Hilfiger. How do you pronounce this? Is it Hilfiger? Hilfiger? I don't know. But she gave me one in mint green and then another one in pink. And I know pink looks great on me. Like, my office mates were like, oh my god, it looks so cute on you. And the reason why I'm vlogging is because I only have 3 days left to work in this company. So, it just dawned on me. Like, I'm shocked to even think about it. And, you know, as much as I would like to smile and be glad and be happy, there's still that, you know, part in my heart saying, take back your resignation, take it back. But I've made my decision final because I've been putting it off too long, and I think I should really give my mom a chance to go back to work. She wants to go to work, I want to study, and the truth be told, my mom earns more than I could earn in a week, honestly. So, you know, I love my job, but I love my mom more, so I'm gonna pick her happiness, her love, and I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos then. You know, I'm gonna focus on doing makeup seminars since I'm gonna be doing those. And if you guys are interested in joining my makeup seminar, I've actually decided on the price. It would only be 1,000 pesos. Yes, it's that cheap. 1,000 pesos, and it would have a free meal and some freebies. I'm not gonna note who or what it is because I don't have sponsors for my makeup seminars. So all of the money that I'm gonna earn from that is also going to be the money that I'm gonna, you know, roll over to buy the freebies, to buy the food. So basically I'm like, you know, just spending what I've earned. But the first class that I'm gonna have is actually a free class that was won by Geraldine. Hi Geraldine, if you're watching. So, you know, I'm just gonna teach basic makeup and the ones that I've learned. The ones that I've learned throughout the years, because my mom's a makeup artist, so she taught me some stage makeup. So I don't think I'm gonna teach that yet, but I'm gonna teach basic makeup, the ones that I do use every day. And you get to see me in action. So if you guys are interested, you can contact me on my email address below in the description box. And it's only 1,000 pesos, guys. Alam mo yun, sa iba 2,005, sa iba parang 2,500, 3,500. For me, it's only 1,000 because I know the value of money for you guys. Not that they don't know, pero syempre sila kasi, they already have, you know, they've been in the business for a long time and they pay for the venue. So for me, I don't pay for the venue kasi bahay ko yun. So you'll be able to see my pets, you'll be able to see my family as well. You'll be able to meet them. And you're also gonna be featured on my blog, my vlog channel, my beauty channel, and also my, you know, Facebook page. So I'm gonna post pictures of it there, so you'll be able to share it as well with your friends, stuff like that. So yun nga, for 1,000 pesos, sakto ka na. And I'm thinking of inviting makeup some YouTubers, but I'm not sure. Kasi nga, I'm not well known naman. I'm not well known. So I'm gonna try to persuade some YouTubers to join me. Pero kung medyo madami na tayo. Tsaka, I'm only gonna accept about like 4 to 5 per session. Kasi maliit yung venue, the place that we're gonna have the makeup seminar is a bit small. So it can only fit about 4 to 5 people, and then I'm gonna set up a table there. Tapos, yun nga. So medyo mahirap yun, diba? So 4 to 5 people lang. But if, you know, the opportunity would come na mabigyan ako ng mas malaki, why not, diba? You know, everything is with God's grace, and you know, I don't really speak a lot about the Lord, but I'm a strong believer, and I think He will provide for me even if I resign here, because when I resigned from my other job, from my previous job, I was in a deep depressed mode, like seryoso, I was not good, and I think the way that I was able to move on is because of Him, because I remember I heard someone talking about the Bible and about moving on, and it's just so eye-opening. I think it was a Sunday Mass, TV Sunday Mass, and one day I was just like, yeah, I should really do something. I don't want to hold myself back just because my father went away. So I think that, you know, that's one reason why I'm gonna resign, is because I want to move on as well in my life, kasi I'm not gonna be an English teacher forever. But I do have plans to go back to the workforce. Pero hindi ko alam saan. So, yeah. I've been blabbering a lot. I'm gonna save a lot of my memory and my battery on my trip to Zambales. So, I'll talk to you guys in a while, okay? Hey guys! Okay, I actually had quite an emotional conversation with Lucy, because I told her already that I'm gonna resign. So she's like, I'm sad, teacher. I don't know, like, Lucy is one of those students that you're not gonna get irritated. She's very nice, she participates well, and I told her that, you know, she has to be very good to her next teacher. It might not be, you know, here in our company, but she still has to do well. Lucy, if you're watching this video, always remember Teacher Alex is here. You know my email address, you know where to contact me, so, I'm gonna cry. You can always reach me, and, to my other students, you know, I usually take our class as a very light class, because I know that South Korean students are one of the most unhappiest. So I want to make the class as happy as possible for them, even though they're tired and, you know, they want to go to sleep. I want them to enjoy and, you know, to learn something and enjoy, because that's how I learned English. I learned it in a good way. I learned it this way. So, you know, I'm gonna cry. Basta, I'm gonna miss you, Lucy. I still have, you know, 3 more days in this company, but we won't be able to talk because on the 31st it's going to be Solal and you're not gonna be there. I'm not gonna call you. First time kong umiyak sa student, ha? This is not the first time, but this is like the first time that I really felt that I'm losing someone that is really nice. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a while. I'll just cry. Joke. I'm gonna try to lessen the tears. Time back. Guys, I'm gonna be meeting Mia downstairs. I don't have classes anymore. It's about 10:35. Hello! Malapit na kami magpot-ipot. Yeah. Na lang. I'll talk to you in a while.